Hi guys and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Guys, paneno channel tinokupa ma updates akasiyana siyana. Mungava muri mu Zimbabwe, ku America, Jamaica, China, even South Africa guys, tinokupa ma updates. So ndokumbira subscribe guys. Ndokumbira subscribe, ndokumbira support yenyu guys. So paneno channel tinokupa zvakangowanda plus mangoma guys pajango studio ka guys. So musakangane kusubscribe, musakangane kulike mavideo edu etinoposta guys. Ndimunoita kuti zviite, ndimunoita kuti channel iende mberi, ndimunoita kuti channel isvike peitori ipapo guys. So without wasting your time, zvionere zvetinazvo muzvara nhasi. Watch out. So nhasi guys tirikugadzira Zimdancehall beat guys. Tirikugadzira Zimdancehall beat. So without wasting your time, guy mbonzwe beat racho before then tozopinda mukati menyaya dzacho. Yes guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Long time guys. This go upload my scene music. So guys, today we have this beat guys. We are going to make Zimdancehall guys. So Zimdancehall beat here. Tagarisa tempo yedu iri pa 97.4 guys. So the guy nditrange ni pattern 1 drum set yatakarowa pa pattern 1. I think mungoona. That is a kick. This one, yes, this one, that is a kick. Not regular kick rako from that side to that side. Then the head pana, yes. Then pana ne aradis ne 2, yes. The longo follower under a kick, yes. Then ne snare 9 pana. Yes, unapenda pa between a kick, so it's like same with a heads. Yeah. Then it overtime put it name a snare again, ambassa snare. That is same. See, then a E kick snare. Yes, that one. Yes, that is frame yeah beat it guys. So the first is the data can right. Then it ne FLO key ish. That is FLO key. Wasinga ziuti umeona kupi unongo ba plus chino then uno it search hapana unaona kanzi FLO key panaba naiga. Yeah, then you wait ada. Then unoenda mukati maya unotsvaga pane pakanzi compressed piano kati then musakangane kureleasa panapa guys. Mufanira kureleasa kusunga kuti isanyanya kureleasa, mufanira kudzora release kuti idzoke kusho. Nice. Okay, then this is a FLO key, sound so this one. I think Murgona as well with an eye. Yeah. Yes. 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 Okay. Then tobva tadzika padzasi pane chiminyati ichi chakanzi splike saw. Yes. Ndangokopa fellow key zvise zvinhu zviri apa dzasi ndangokopa fellow key ndikawa paste on. So ngaiti zvise ndeiki. Then unoenda pakanzi mobile plug. Then you select aunoda ipopa ndika. Okay. So mukati mayo yakangodai same ne fellow key. Okay. Then we can go pane rimwe racho same neiyoyo plug iyoyo. Then I'll put this one. Yes. Yes. See? Okay. This one. Yes. Okay. Then you can come here again. Same thing like that one. We just want to make our keys be strong. Okay. Same. Okay. That is that same thing, but you don't go change my presets. Okay. You can change some presets to make it different and to make it sweet. You see this one, you have a little bit reverb and delay. Yes. Then we come here by morphine. You see that the morphine. Okay. I put morphine, but it's same thing that I copy and paste here. Same thing that I copy and come and paste from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I copy and paste here. That is morphine. Yes, it. See, guys. Yes, that is KB Grand Piano. Yes, it. The name of this thing. Okay. Then. Then we can come here. Melody, guys. That is strings. It's strings. Yes. Yes, strings. I come by a hypersonic. Then you just come here inside. Then you come to string. Then you can choose any strings do you want. You see. Okay. So the mass strings not out there. Yes. Yes. Then I put another one on hypersonic again. On the you can come on the strings again. Then you can come there. Go from our strings and you can choose something. I just do copy and paste here. But I go change and some natural sound dakasiyana. See? And press here. Yes. Then we have another third. It's hypersonic also. This one. Yes. Same melody. Yeah. Same strings. Yes. Then here we have bass. We have bass. This bass is for snare. Snare bass. You just go to DX10. You can code here. If you get inside the DX10, you can see there's snare bass. Yes, guys. Yes. Look how I draw this bass. Okay, let me stop this. You can check how I draw my bass. See? Maybe you can want this bass. See how I draw it. Okay. Then let me put the bass, but don't put a little too much voice, too much volume. You can put a little volume because we wanna put another bass also on E flute. Okay. Yes. Then we can come here by E flute. You can go by DX10. You can see E flute also. Yes, by DX10 you can go and see E flute. Okay. So yes, bass, same bass I take there by snare bass is this one. I just copy and paste it, but it's different a little bit here. Let me show you where it's different. Here it's a little bit here. You see, here's it. It's a little bit here. That one is a swing. Okay, let me play for you, then you can understand what I'm saying. Here's it. So if you have small things, you can, if you're using phone to listen this thing, you can't hear it. You can use even earphones then, or headphones, or on the big sound you can hear this bass. Okay, let me play the bass alone, then you can feel what I'm saying. This one, that I swing. Yes, I think you hear the boom, boom. Yes. So it's the bass. It's number 2 bass. So we have 2, this one and this one, but it's different here. This one have a, yes. So okay, let's go. Okay, let me play all. Yes. Okay, we have another morphine melody. Yes, guys. That is melody. So let me play a melody only, then you can hear what I'm saying. This one. Then we have another morphine again. You have melody, so we can hear only melodies. Yes. Yes. So we can sample it, all of them. Let me play all of them, then you can hear what I'm saying. Yes, boys, guys. Okay, let me go on pattern number 2, guys. That is introduce. When you start your beat, that is my intro. So I copy the whole thing, all the whole things, and here I didn't put these 2 these 2 chords. You see, at the first one I put 5 here, but the second one for intro I just put 3, and melody. You see, yes, 2 melodies, then and this one and this one. So to make it light, as to show difference, this one is first one, intro. When you get intro, first intro, yes. Then this one is drum changer, this one. Yes. Just go on purity. Can come here by drums, then you can choose a lot of drums, but here I use that is outer sky. Yes, outer sky. You can see it on the purity. Okay, let me go number 4. Number 4. Yes, this number 4 is the third verse. Yes, the second verse. Yes, same, but you just minus some other things and you put some other things. You see, okay. Then number 5. Yes, this is our first verse. First from chorus, and the first verse. This is this one. It's different with all of them. It's different only on the bass. This bass, let me play only bass, then you can hear what I'm saying. Yes, it. Where's it? Yes, it, guys. Yes, you see what I'm saying? It's different from here and this here. So that is this first verse. Yes, guys. Okay, let me play all of them, then you can hear. Yes. Yes, it's just copy and paste that things you make it at the first time, guys. So abana ganyanya, guys. Mnongo pause na zero. Then you can do something better. Yeah? Yes. Then number 6. second verse, guys. Yes, guys. Okay, that is 6 patterns, guys. Six patterns. I finish my beat. You see that only 15 minutes. You see, only 15 minutes, guys. I finish my beat. Okay, so let me play the whole beat, then I show you how I lay it, ne? Okay, let me play the beat. Yes, it. So that is that is the first paragraph. Yes, first, that is the intro. Then drum changer. Then this one you can take from drum changer. This one, RD crunch. Yes. This one, second intro. This one, drum changer also. Yes, this chorus. Then you can start singing what you can sing. Okay. Ndakauya kuno ini vamwe vaifunga ndichafira kuno, maya tiri pakutsaga, vamwe vaifunga ndichafira kuno, ndakauya kuno ini vamwe vaifunga ndichafira kuno, maya tiri pakutsaga. Okay, that is the second verse, guys. This is the first verse. Okay, yes, maya tiri pakutsaga. Okay, then chorus again. Yes, guys. So nice, sounding good. I don't know what you can feel. So you can WhatsApp me if you want me to do something for you in music mastering. I can do also. Yes, that is the second verse, guys. Yes. Yes, guys. Chorus again. Yes. Wanaokutoimba pale. Wakadaro. Aiwa. Anenaro. I don't know what you saying, guys. Yes, it. Okay. Out intro, guys. The first intro out, my guys. Out intro. First one. Yes. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Oh, yo. Yes, our beat finished. So, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, then subscribe, guys. Subscribe. If you are new here, just press subscribe, then you turn on notification bell to upload the machine I do. More notify, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you. More blessed. Okay.